Step 1 to creating an effective lockout plan is to identify all equipment. This step involves locating all energy control points on the equipment that are required to be locked out, including all switches, valves, breakers, and plugs, and clearly identifying them with appropriate signs, tags, or labels. Identifying lockout points with clear warning messages is essential to ensuring that the next time your equipment needs to be shut down for maintenance, all of the equipment's energy control points can be quickly and easily located, accounted for, and locked out. Any overlooked or otherwise unsecured energy points while maintenance is being performed could lead to unexpected or accidental re-energization of the equipment, resulting in costly equipment damage, personal injury, or even death. So, which equipment should be included in your lockout plan? Basically, any equipment that has one or more energy sources, open pinch points like gears, drive chains, augers, or other moving parts that could easily snag clothing or an exposed body part, and any equipment that requires an employee to physically enter the machine in order to perform maintenance. Emedco carries all of the lockout signs, tags, and labels that you'll need to ensure the effectiveness of your lockout plan. For more information, visit us online at emedco.com or give one of our lockout experts a call today.